Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can create a page in a flutterflow. So flutterflow is platform which provide the drag and drop facility. So basically it will use to build a mobile application and a web application also. So now we are going to create one page. So first click on widget and tree. There is in a top looking three tab. First is page and component, second is pages, and third one is component. So by default first selected is a page and component. So all pages and components are visible here, and when I create a second page, then only page is on here in this area. Now I want to create one page, then I click on view all pages, and here create one, click on add new page. Now create blank pages. Now create here one login page, create login. Now page is created, so I delete this home page. Okay, this page is created. Now here I change its title. Now we remove all the, first delete app bar, and I add here one text field. And wrap container. Hello world. So we create one page again and add one text here, hello world. Now I want to run this file. So basically first we check the initial page. Here select one page login. So whenever start the run this project, then now page is successfully run. So here we can also view in mobile view, tablet view, and web application view. So this way we can create a page in a flutterflow and run this flutterflow application.